Good evening to all of you. My name is Dhanraj Vedi and today my topic on common collector amplifier as a buffer for impedance matching. First of all, we will know about first stage amplifier circuit. In this circuit, we will connect VCC voltage supply to RL and R1 load and we will give input signal to C1 capacitor. So, IB current flowing through the base of transistor and IC current flowing through the capacitor of transistor. VC voltage is amplified voltage by coupling capacitor. In common collect amplifier circuits, capacitor C1 and C2 are used as a coupling capacitor to separate the AC signal from the DC biasing voltage. This ensures that the bias condition set up for the circuit to operate correctly is not affected by any additional amplifier stages, as the capacitor will only pass AC signals and block any DC component. Common collector amplifier as a buffer. Here amplifier circuit as a buffer is used for impedance matching of any device to the circuit. Buffer circuit is match its input impedance to amplifier circuit output impedance and its output impedance to device impedance. Without using buffer, we have not got efficient voltage across device. This circuit is common collector amplifier as a buffer for impedance matching. Now we will see what effect done on output when we will using buffer and without buffer. When we will check output voltage across the 10 ohm load without using buffer circuit, we will get 2 milliwatt peak to peak voltage across it. When applying voltage is 4 milliwatt peak to peak. And using buffer circuit, we will get 26 milliwatt peak to peak voltage, which is the very high amount compared to without buffer circuit. When applying voltage is 4 milliwatt peak. When we will use 1 kilo ohm resistance in without buffer circuit, we will get 90 milliwatt peak to peak. When 4 milliwatt peak to peak voltage applied and 1 kilo ohm resistance we will used in using buffer circuit, we will get 84 milliwatt peak to peak across it. When applying voltage 4 milliwatt, when we will use 500 ohm resistor in without buffer circuit, we will get 56 milliwatt peak to peak. When applied voltage is 4 milliwatt peak to peak. When we will use 500 ohm resistance in buffer circuit, we will get 83 milliwatt when we will apply 4 milliwatt peak to peak. And we will use a 100 ohm resistor in without buffer circuit. We will get 14 milliwatt peak to peak when applied voltage 4 milliwatt. And using buffer circuit, we will use 100 ohm resistance. We will get 74 milliwatt peak to peak when applied voltage 4 milliwatt. Now we will check in simulation circuit. In this circuit, when we will use 1 kilo ohm resistor and applied voltage is 2 milliwatt peak, we will check the output. We will show that the getting output voltage is 18 milliwatt. When in amplifier circuit we will get only we will get only 88 milliwatt peak to peak. In this circuit, we will change this resistance to the 500 ohm. Now we will check it. We will show that this is the less than in compare of 1 kilo ohm resistance. In amplifier circuit, we will check it. We will get only 52 milliwatt peak to peak. When we are using 100 ohm resistance in circuit, we will get 73 milliwatt peak to peak. An amplified circuit, we are using 100 ohm resistance and we will check the output. We will get only 13 milliwatt as compared to buffer circuit. At last we will check 10 ohm resistance. We will circuit 24 milliwatt peak to peak, and amplified circuit we will check the this is only 1.4 milliwatt as compare of 26 milliwatt.